Make a great choice today with the 2016 S7. The S7 is the zenith of Orion engineering, so clear-cut in its purpose and accomplished in its execution that it might actually be all the car you'll ever need and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, overhead console, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.